Now here I will discuss the charge density and current density. Now the charge density is denoted by J bar and it is defined as J bar is equal to rho times U bar, where rho is known as the charge density and U is the velocity of charges. It is the current density. Here we can say J bar equal to rho into U bar. Similar to that of mass of a moving particle, the charge density rho, it can be expressed in the form of rho naught upon under root of 1 minus u square by c square. Now here this J bar has the three components along xyz axis, Jx, Jy, Jz. Similarly, this U bar has three components, Ux, Uy, Uz. By comparing these components, here we get Jx equal to rho naught Ux upon under root 1 minus u square by c square, Jy equal to rho naught Uy divided under root 1 minus u square by c square, and Jz is equal to rho naught divided by under root of 1 minus u square by c square. Now here we define what is meant by current for vector. This current for vector is denoted by J upper suffix I and it is defined as J upper suffix I is equal to, it is now J bar comma 0, where J bar means it is a Jx, Jy, Jz, and this fourth component it is our 0. Now as this J upper suffix I is a for vector, its component transform like the transformation of for radius vector xi under Lorentz transformation, and therefore here we get j dash 1 equal to alpha into j1 minus v by c times j4, j dash 2 equal to j2, j dash 3 equal to j3, and j dash 4 equal to alpha into in a bracket j4 minus v by c times our j1. Or here you can say jx dash is equal to alpha into jx minus v by c into 0. Here c is cancelled and here we get alpha into jx minus 0. And then jy dash equal to jy, jz dash equal to jz, and here again if we divide it by c, then it is a rho dash equal to alpha into, here c will cancel, we get rho minus v by c square times our jx. Now also here this c square rho square minus j square, it is invariant. Invariant means if an inertial frame S containing the expression like this c square rho square j square, and then in S dash frame this expression is of this kind, c square rho dash square into j dash square. Now this is invariant means the value of c square rho dash square j dash square, it must be equal to c square into rho square into j square. That can be easily proved. Now also the value of this c square rho square minus j square, its numerical value is our rho naught square into c square. That can be obtained like this, c square into rho square means rho naught square upon 1 minus u square by c square, minus j square means rho naught square into ux square, rho naught square into uy square minus rho naught square into uz square, using the values of our jx, jy and jz here. So rho naught square divided by c1 minus u square by c square, this factor is common. So from first term c square is remaining, and from second, third and fourth minus ux square minus uy square minus uz square. So if you come out minus sign from this, we get it is nothing but our u square, and that is the speed of a particle or say charge. So c square minus u square. So from this expression again if you come out c square, then it is 1 minus u square by c square. So this factor 1 minus u square by c square is cancelled and you get rho naught square into c square. So the numerical value of this c square rho square minus j square is our rho naught square into c square, and at the same time this expression is now invariant. Thanks for watching this video.